Okay, guys, this is part 3. This is Pearly Gardiner, targeted individual Australia. Mind control victim since birth. Got sold out to Australian Security Intelligence Organization along with the other 5 intelligence agencies in the year 2000 via my honey trap first ex-husband. Anyway, guys, I don't know. It says that that I haven't got enough storage now mm, in my phone. So anyway, guys, so that's about it. This one is like $14 each. It's so it's like 50% discount. So for both, it's $28 instead of $28 each. Thank you so much, dear handler. I hope that these are not laced with nanotech. These are not laced with nanotech. Just who knows? Who knows? Anyways, so that's the one. And I also bought my smooth pistachio coffee latte for $4 for this one. Okay, so yeah. You know, when I say lace, of course, they can infiltrate all of these, big businesses, small, big businesses, whatever. And they know exactly how to do it. Learn it from the CIA in America. And after that, after I went to buy that one at Kohl's, I went to the chemist and I bought my Candesartan tablets. So this is like 8 mg for my blood pressure. I've been going to that chemist for the longest time. That chemist in on Main Street in Blacktown, 48 Main Street, Blacktown. Yeah, the name is Good Value Chemist. So, well, with this one from 4 mg, I have now 8 mg. 8 mg, maybe for the last 2 years now, I've been taking 8 mg because it used to be 4 mg with my tablet. And who even knows with this tablet? Who knows? Is this really for my blood pressure or for my brain? Who knows? I really don't know because you are God. Yeah, you can do anything, everything. So that's for my blood pressure, and I don't know the last time when the medical COINTEL Pro came here. The guy Anthony with the blue eye said that no, Anthony or what's his name, the medical COINTEL Pro, I forgot now. He